Hi, welcome to Smart Investor. My name is Ganesh. Today, I'm going to walk you through the trade I took on the budget date 1st February 2022. This is a very simple strategy. It has no need any adjustments. We will go for short straddle at 9:25 a.m. and exit at decent profit. However, this strategy can be observed what has happened at various times, how it can help, and how it can be modified as per your risk appetite. This is a risky trade, so we'll have to be careful and we have to check for stop loss. Here I took a stop loss for 40% 2 legs. However, again, there are three scenarios actually, and there was no stop loss. It was given very good profit. I did some other way. Just you understand that why I took it, because profit booking is very important than looking into screen and waiting for something to happen. Sometimes a trading setup what we define work better. Sometimes trading setup beyond that we have what we do like a target profit works better. Hope the video is going to help you to understand and modify as per your risk appetite. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
What is a trade setup? Trade setup is very simple. Just a short straddle. Short straddle means sell both call and put at the money. And what is the entry and exit time? Entry time is 9:20 a.m. and I exit at 3:20 p.m. Let for that, once trades are executed, we have to put stop loss 40% for both the legs, because this is a budget day. We don't know how market reacts. If it takes wild move, we will be in big loss. This is a high risk trade, so better to make it limited risk. So that's where we have to put 40%. Stop loss hits, like a 40% hit happens either put side or call side, then what to do? Then move the stop loss to the cost other open position. Means, but what is the sell price? That is a price we need to put stop loss for remaining position. This is a trade setup I would like to initiate. I wanted to do this as per the system, but yeah, there are some modification I made and finally came up with. So I would explain all those steps one by one. It was trading around 38,500. That's where I initiated one first set short straddle for the strike 38,500. After some time, around 11 o'clock, so I entered another set for 38,700. That time Bank Nifty was trading that one. So I took another set. So I closed trade at around 12:41 p.m. I exited entire setup, 2 lots, with a profit of around 12,000. Capital deployed is 3 lakh and return on capital employed in terms of returns 4%. In one day, I got 4% return. If you see that one day, Bank Nifty, how it was trading, what has happened? If you observe the strikes, call and put strike, and what happened exactly on the Bank Nifty, once budget is over, 12:30 onwards, premium decay started very fast. One point of time, all of a sudden, after around 1 o'clock, I think, market steeply corrected Bank Nifty and went down. So that is where, if I stayed in that trade until stop loss hits, in that case, put side stop loss would have hit. So as for the trade setup, I would have changed open positions of calls to cost price. So this is all as per the trade setup. But what I have done is that I saw the trade closely and budget together. I saw the screen and observed that I have a good profit of around 12,000, 13, 14,000, around that. So I didn't want to wait for stop loss to hit, because it's either stop loss hits, then it would change the cost to stop loss, then again it comes bounce back, then it, call side stop loss also would hit. This is what exactly happened on that day if I followed this trade setup. But without wasting and waiting for both to happen, I just exited the trade with 12,000 profit, which is I am happy. Otherwise, if you see this, if I waited, if I follow the system, what was defined before, I would have ended up with for both the set together 13,700. Instead of loss, I booked profit of 12,000, which is okay because target profit sometime work well. This is the time target profit work well. Otherwise, maybe I would have ended up with losses. If trade execution screenshots, I will show you that. So as I said, 925, I took one set for 38,500 strike, and 11 o'clock or 11:19, I took another set for 38,700, and 12:41, I exited the trade. So Nifty, Bank Nifty closed exactly at 38,500. So without stop loss, I stayed in the trade. Yes, I would have made around 30,000 profit. Of course, who knows that? If I follow system, I would have ended up with the loss. If I stayed without stop loss, I would have got great profit. Neither of them I did. I simply exited the trade with decent profit for which I was happy. Hope you understand the trade. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please comment, share, like it if you have any queries on that. We have a Telegram channel where we discuss many trades and live trades and market updates. Would like to join? Please do join. Hope it is helpful to you. Thank you.